G'day! In today's video I've got a GALAX RTX 2060 one-click OC 6GB model, and this one it's getting about 100% or 100 degrees as hotspot temp. A bit old, those have never been removed. And what I want to do is put some new thermal paste on here. So I'm not sure if the whole bracket has to come off as a whole, I'm not sure which way, but I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So these should be pretty easy to take off. And then I'm going to be using some GD900 thermal paste to replace the existing stuff, which is quite a few years older now. And I'm going to be using the little spatula, and then I'm going to give it a clean with some isopropyl alcohol. Well, first, once I've got it apart, I'll give it a clean with some isopropyl alcohol to remove the existing thermal paste. I have had this running on Thermark 2, and yeah, it was sitting at about 80 degrees with a hotspot of 100 and... or a hotspot of 100. There we go. Whoa, look at that. Delicious. Ooh, that once upon a time had a thermal paste replacement on it. Looking pretty rough right now, that's for sure. Almost looks like moss. Pretty darn dry too. Get it off here. Some isopropyl alcohol. Wow. Thick. And chunky. It's funny the different sizes of various chips. So for example, doing a new AMD, or repasting an AMD laptop, the whole chip's about the size of where it says NVIDIA on the silver die. And then you get an older graphics card, and they just feel chunky in comparison. Give me a thermal paste. Smash that into the beads down here. Where's my little toothbrush? There we go. Take the pins there. Go over it just briefly. So I'm just loosely going over it just between little capacitors or ICs that are there. I'll go over it again. Give it a clean. One more time with a fresh tissue piece. Make it look better. Now we are prepped for thermal paste. Now, clean, I'm going to use some of this. Give me a spatula. A bit of a mix around first. And this stuff is fairly runny. I shouldn't need a huge amount. I need to spread it over the chip. We don't even need most of what I got there. Go. Go. And from here, just reconnect it down here. What's going on down here? Almost looks like thermal paste down there. No, I just think that's general life. Being a fairly old card now. Some embedded dust, I reckon. So I'm going to flip this over. Actually, flip this over, and I'm going to line up those holes. Where are we? Bingo. Push down, and then grab it. I should be able to feel that the thermal paste is well attached. Yep. It's a matter of putting those screws back in. Now I'm just going to loosely do them, and then I'll go through and do a bit more of a tighten of them in a moment. Yeah, these two I don't need to be too concerned about up here. Tighten up. Just doing a cross method. So I'm going 1, 3, 2, 4. Ignore those numbers. Diagonal. Bingo. I'm going to check out the GPU hotspot on this now and give it another stress test. And that helps. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward thermal paste replacement. Bye.